Well done, my Ogbonga people. Na me, Oga Ben, and this na your favorite Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. No vex say I never talk to you for long. Today, we wan talk about laboratory tools and wetin dem dey carry dem do. Remember say chemistry no dey for cho. Na show working full am. Na im make e no go sweet if laboratory tools no dey and if lab no dey. Oya wear your shoe make we enter lab. This lab wey you don enter so, e be like our workshop for chemistry. E also be like our kitchen. Na here wey we dey cook everything wey we dey cook for chemistry. Now, this lab na special room wey scientists dey do experiment dem. Na here wey dem dey mix things, dey test things, dey heat some things so that dem fit discover new things. And sometimes na here wey dem dey confirm wetin dem don observe for something. If classroom be drama, lab na action film. As we talk say lab na our kitchen and e be like our workshop, make you no think say na fork and knife or na screwdriver and hammer we dey use for lab o. No be so. E get some special instruments and equipment wey scientists dem dey use when dem wan do their experiments for lab. Na those ones wey dem dey call laboratory tools. Dem plenty, but we go look some of them for this our talk. Make we dey take them one by one. The first one na test tube. You see this small container wey you dey see so? Na big boy for lab. Dem dey use am carry out small experiment dem. E fit hold small amount of water or any other liquid. You see that thing wey dem use put am, na wetin dem dey call test tube rack. Na there wey dem dey keep am, whether when dem wan put am inside water bottle or when dem wan just keep am make the thing dey safe. The next one na wetin dem dey call beaker. This one na wide mouth container wey dem dey use mix or heat liquid wey plenty pass wetin test tube fit carry. E get mark dem for body, but you no fit use am get sharp measurement if you use am measure something. The one wey follow am na the one wey dem dey call measuring cylinder. From the name wey I just call, you suppose know wetin dem dey carry am do. This one dem dey use am dey measure liquids for lab. This one fit give you sharp measurement and e dey size by size for different amount of liquid dem wey you go wan measure. The next one na filter funnel. Dem dey use am pour liquid put for other containers so that the thing no go waste. Dem dey also use am do separation when dem wan separate solid particles from liquid, the way Jesus Christ go separate the sheep from the goat. When dem wan do that one, dem go put filter paper inside am. Dem go come pour the liquid inside small. The filter paper go come hold the solid particles so that the liquid go pass. Another one na this one wey dem dey call dropper. As you hear the name, na so the thing be. E be like feeding bottom mouth. Dem dey use am add small amount of liquid to substance dem, just drop by drop. Next one na Bunsen burner. This one be like our gas cooker for lab. Na im wey dem dey use heat things. Anything wey we suppose use fire do, na Bunsen burner wey we dey use do am. Dem no dey use am cook o, no enter lab go wan cook. Okay, the last but not the least. Abi how dem dey talk am, the least but not the last. Anyhow, na this collabo wey dey our front, tongs and spatula. Tongs na tool wey dem dey use hold objects dem wey no go fit stand on their own on top fire so that dem fit heat them, or dem dey use them comot hot objects from fire so that your hand no go burn. Then the spatula be like small spoon. Then they use am pack powder put for something during experiment. Listen, may I tell you, lab no be place where you go enter, go dey play, and no be playground. Na place where you need to dey very careful, because any mistake fit injure you and injure other people. Na make we get these rules to help you dey safe. Always wear your lab coat and your goggles when you enter lab. No chop or drink for lab. No wear fire extinguisher dey in case fire happen. Handle anything wey hot with care. No smell, no leak or taste any chemical. If chemical pour for your body, wash am quick. Always follow instruction and make sure say every container wey you dey use get label. Yowa, na so Hausa man talk am. Na here we go match break for our module 1 wey we don learn wetin be chemistry. I thank all of una wey don follow us come reach this point. If you enjoy wetin we don do so far, drop e clear for comment section. Make sure say you dey follow us for all our social media page handle them, whether for Facebook or YouTube or for TikTok. Make sure sure say you no miss any of the classes wey go follow this one, because the next time wey we go meet na test wey we go take, make we take know whether wetin we teach really enter or not. Na still on our favorite Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. Una do